Traveling can be one of life's greatest joys, but it often comes with its share of stress and costs. For those of us embracing a minimalist lifestyle, it's not just about traveling light, it's about traveling smart and stress-free, while sticking to a budget. The good news is that with a few simple travel hacks, you can enjoy incredible trips without breaking the bank or feeling overwhelmed by planning. Here are 7 minimalist budget travel hacks that will help you enjoy a stress-free journey, no matter where your adventures take you. 1. Embrace the power of packing light. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is overpacking. It's easy to throw in just-in-case items, but they add weight and clutter to your luggage. And most of the time, you never even use them. Packing light isn't just about saving space. It's about making your trips simpler and more enjoyable. Think of it as minimalist travel at its best. Fewer things to carry, fewer decisions to make, and more freedom to explore. Start by choosing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Stick to neutral colors, and focus on packing essentials like lightweight clothes, comfortable shoes, and small toiletries. By keeping your luggage light, you'll have more energy for exploring and won't waste time lugging around heavy bags. Plus, packing light means you won't have to pay for checked luggage, saving you money on most airlines. 2. Use public transportation or walk. Transportation costs can quickly add up when traveling, especially with taxis or ride-sharing services. The key to budget travel is finding cheaper alternatives, and one of the best ways to do that is by using public transportation or simply walking. Most cities offer affordable, easy-to-navigate public transport options. From buses and trams to trains and subways, you can explore your destination without breaking the bank. In many cases, walking is even better. It's free, it gives you a deeper connection to the city, and it helps you discover hidden gems you might miss otherwise. By using public transport or walking, you'll not only save money, but you'll also get to experience the local culture in a way that's far more enriching than taking a taxi or shuttle. 3. Book accommodation with kitchen access. Eating out 3 times a day can drain your travel budget quickly, especially in touristy areas. But the minimalist solution is simple. Book accommodation with kitchen access. Staying in places like hostels, goose houses, or vacation rentals with a kitchen allows you to prepare your own meals. Stock up on fresh ingredients at local markets and cook simple, nutritious meals. This can save you a significant amount of money and give you more control over your meals. Plus, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Shopping at markets and cooking with local ingredients can be an adventure in itself. If you're staying in a place without a full kitchen, consider making use of small appliances like a microwave or even a portable stove to prepare quick meals. You can even take advantage of local street food, which is often delicious and inexpensive, but be mindful of how much you're spending each day. 4. Travel during off-peak seasons. One of the easiest ways to cut down on travel expenses is by avoiding peak seasons. Traveling during off-peak times means fewer crowds, lower prices, and a more relaxed experience overall. Many destinations offer great deals during shoulder seasons, those times just before or after peak travel months. Not only will you save on flights and accommodation, but you'll also avoid the chaos of packed tourist spots. By choosing to travel during these quieter times, you'll enjoy a more peaceful and authentic experience, all while keeping your budget in check. 5. Plan and book in advance, but not too early. While last-minute deals can be tempting, they don't always work out in your favor. Planning ahead gives you more time to research affordable options and secure the best deals. However, don't book too early, as prices tend to fluctuate. The sweet spot for booking flights and accommodation is usually about 2 to 3 months in advance. Use comparison websites like Google Flights or Skyscanner to track prices and find the best deals. Setting up price alerts can help you monitor changes and snag a bargain when the time is right. 6. Use free activities and attractions. When it comes to sightseeing, you don't have to spend a lot of money to have an amazing experience. Many cities and destinations offer free attractions that are just as enjoyable as the expensive ones. Consider exploring parks, museums with free entry days, hiking trails, and local markets. Free walking tours are also a great way to learn about a city without spending a dime. In fact, many of the most enriching travel experiences come from simply wandering through local neighborhoods or spending time outdoors. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best and free things to do in their city. 7. Stay connected without the high roaming charges. Staying connected while traveling is important, but international roaming charges can be outrageous. The minimalist travel hack here is simple. Use Wi-Fi and local SIM cards to avoid hefty fees. Before you travel, check if your current phone plan offers international coverage or Wi-Fi calling. If not, consider buying a local SIM card or a global SIM card for affordable data and calls. Many countries have prepaid SIM cards available at airports or convenience stores that offer data packages specifically for travelers. Using Wi-Fi at cafes, restaurants, and public spaces is another great way to stay connected without racking up expensive charges. Just be cautious about security when using public Wi-Fi and always use a VPN to protect your data. The minimalist travel mindset. Minimalist travel is all about simplifying the experience, focusing on what really matters, and making the most of what you have. It's not about cutting corners. It's about being intentional with your resources and finding ways to enjoy your trip without overspending or stressing over unnecessary details. By embracing these 7 minimalist budget travel hacks, you can experience the world in a more meaningful and cost-effective way. Whether it's packing light, using public transport, or cooking your own meals, these tips will help you create a travel experience that's both enriching and affordable. Which travel hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on minimalist living, budget travel, and stress-free adventures. Safe travels!